How do I earn Kindle points?
Hello there. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting topic, how to earn Kindle points. If you're an avid reader and use the Amazon Kindle platform, this is something you absolutely need to know.
What are Kindle points?
Before we dive into how to earn them, let's first understand what Kindle points are. Kindle points, sometimes referred to as Amazon Kindle rewards, are points that you earn by purchasing eligible products on Amazon. You can then redeem these points for ebooks or any other items on Amazon.
How to get started?
Getting started is pretty straightforward. You first need an Amazon account and a Kindle device or Kindle app installed on your smartphone, tablet, or PC. Once you have these, you can start earning Kindle points.
How to earn Kindle points?
Earning Kindle points is mainly based on your purchases on Amazon. For every eligible purchase, you earn points. The exact points you earn can vary based on the product, your location, and any ongoing promotions. Note, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Amazon was not offering Kindle points directly. Instead, they offered reward points through their Amazon credit cards. Always check the latest policies and terms on the Amazon website or contact their customer service for the most accurate information.
Can I earn Kindle points without purchasing?
While the primary way to earn Kindle points is through purchases, there might be promotions or special events where Amazon provides other ways to earn points. It's always a good idea to check Amazon's official communications regularly to stay updated. That's it for our guide on earning Kindle points. I hope this video helps you maximize your benefits from using the Amazon Kindle platform. Remember, earning Kindle points is a great way to reward your love for reading. So, start earning those points, and happy reading!